Welcome to the Super Factory 2027, where we redefine luxury through closed-loop technology, transforming majestic sturgeon into rare black gold and advanced bioactive collagen for beauty. Our journey begins in this sprawling ecosystem, a vision of the future nestled in nature, where every drop of water is monitored by advanced artificial intelligence systems. These ancient giants, the sturgeons, are the heart of our facility. They thrive in an environment designed to replicate the purity of their natural wild habitats perfectly. Every step of our process is handled within a sterile, controlled environment, ensuring that the biological integrity of our products remains untainted from start to finish. Sophisticated AI algorithms analyze thousands of data points every second, from oxygen levels to individual fish health, ensuring the optimal development of the precious caviar inside. By merging biology with digital precision, we can predict the exact moment of peak maturity, ensuring that every grain of caviar reaches its full flavor and nutritional potential. This is more than a factory, it is a sustainable sanctuary where technology serves nature, creating a legacy of quality that spans across the global luxury market today. As we move into the sorting phase, the synchronization between mechanical power and biological sensitivity becomes the hallmark of our 2027 production standards and ethical goals. Precision is the ultimate key. Our smart sorting system uses gentle water conveyors to transport the fish, minimizing stress and maintaining the highest animal welfare standards possible. Advanced AI ultrasound technology allows us to see inside each fish without a single incision, identifying the golden moment for harvest with unprecedented scientific accuracy and care. The system automatically classifies the diameter and hardness of the eggs, ensuring that only the most premium grades are selected for our signature caviar tins this year. Each fish is tagged with a unique biochip, creating a digital twin that tracks its entire history, providing full traceability from the hatchery to the final luxury table. Those not yet at their peak are returned to the nursery ponds, where they will continue to mature naturally until the AI determines they have reached perfection. Continuous water circulation and nanofiltration ensure that the environment remains pristine, which is essential for the clean, nutty flavor profile that our connoisseurs expect and love. Our technicians work hand in hand with AI, combining human expertise with machine precision to ensure that no detail is overlooked during this critical selection and sorting process. This facility operates with the silence and precision of a Swiss watch, moving thousands of liters of water and hundreds of fish with effortless, automated grace every day. By eliminating traditional invasive checks, we preserve the health of the fish and the quality of the eggs, truly honoring the life of these magnificent aquatic creatures. Once the AI confirms a fish is ready, it enters the harvest zone, a place where traditional craftsmanship meets the absolute pinnacle of modern surgical and sterile technology. The efficiency of this system allows us to scale production while maintaining the artisanal quality that makes our caviar and collagen the best in the world market. Verification complete. The journey of the black gold begins now, moving from the living waters into the meticulous hands of our specialized processing and extraction teams. We now enter the heart of the operation, the Class 100 cleanroom. Here, the environment is purer than an operating theater to protect the delicate caviar. A high-precision laser performs an ultra-fine incision, guided by the 3D maps generated earlier. This ensures the egg sacs are removed with zero damage to the grains. Behold the black gold. These glistening spheres are the result of years of careful cultivation, now emerging in their most perfect and untainted form for processing. Traditional methods are still respected here. Expert hands carefully place the sacs on sieves, where the delicate separation process begins under the watchful eyes of our specialists. Robotic assistance ensures that every single grain is separated with a consistent touch, eliminating the risk of crushing these fragile treasures during the critical sifting stage. The uniform size and deep, rich color of the eggs are immediately apparent. This level of consistency is what defines the premium tier of our 2027 production. Purity is paramount. We use chilled, ultra-pure mineral water delivered in a fine high-pressure mist to gently cleanse each grain of any remaining natural impurities. Notice the texture and the gloss. Each bead is a masterpiece of nature, now refined by the precision of 2027 technology to ensure a flawless culinary experience. Our master sommelier performs the first sensory check, using mother of pearl to avoid any metallic interference. They evaluate the firmness, scent, and clarity of the harvest. Only the finest batches move forward. The flavor must be perfect, a delicate balance of sea salt and creamy nuttiness that melts elegantly on the tongue. The curing process is a science. We use the malossol method, meaning little salt, measured by robots to within 1/100th of a gram for perfect consistency. The salt acts as a catalyst, drawing out the deep flavors and preserving the eggs. This delicate dance of chemistry is what turns fish eggs into true caviar. Manual mixing ensures the human touch remains part of the process, allowing the technician to feel the texture as it changes during the brief curing period. The caviar is then packed into traditional tins for aging. This stage allows the flavors to develop and mature into the complex profile our clients adore. Vacuum sealing protects the batch from oxidation. The QR code links directly back to the individual sturgeon's biochip, providing the ultimate proof of origin and quality. Stored at exactly -2 degrees Celsius, the caviar rests. This controlled maturation is vital for achieving the buttery consistency that characterizes the 2027 vintage. After every batch, the room is autonomously sanitized. Our commitment to hygiene is as deep as our commitment to quality, ensuring every tin is perfectly safe. But the story does not end with caviar. Every part of the sturgeon is honored, as we transition to the extraction of life-changing bioactive collagen next. Welcome to the bio-extraction wing. Here, we transform the skin of the sturgeon into a revolutionary skincare ingredient: pure, high-potency bioactive collagen peptides for beauty. We begin with laser purification. This advanced step removes all non-collagenous materials without using harsh chemicals, preserving the delicate molecular structure of the fish skin. The skin enters our AI-controlled bioreactors. Here, a proprietary blend of enzymes begins the process of enzymatic hydrolysis, breaking down complex proteins into bioavailable peptides. Under precise temperature and pH control, the collagen is gently extracted. This liquid gold contains a 98% biocompatibility rate with human skin, a true scientific breakthrough. The solution travels through multiple stages of molecular filtration. This ensures that only the most effective peptide chains are harvested for our premium cosmetic formulations. Centrifugal force is used to achieve absolute clarity. The resulting essence is concentrated, powerful, and free from any odors, making it the perfect base for luxury skincare. Our researchers verify the concentration of every batch. This collagen is rich in amino acids that are essential for skin regeneration and deep, long-lasting hydration. Stabilization is key to maintaining bioactivity. The collagen is quickly cooled and stored in a vacuum, ensuring it remains as potent as the moment it was extracted. To enhance the results, we infuse the collagen with rare botanicals. This synergy creates a serum that works at a cellular level to rejuvenate and protect the skin. The AI monitors the molecular weight precisely. By ensuring a low molecular weight, we guarantee that the collagen can penetrate the skin's barrier effectively for real results. Human oversight ensures the machines perform at their peak. It is this combination of industrial power and scientific finesse that defines the Superfactory 2027 ethos. Total purity is achieved through multi-stage ceramic filtration. We remove every possible particle, leaving behind nothing but the pure, rejuvenating essence of the sturgeon. Each drop represents a commitment to zero waste. What was once a byproduct of the caviar industry is now one of the most sought-after ingredients in beauty. This parallel production line ensures that our facility operates with maximum sustainability, honoring the entire life of the sturgeon through high-value science and technology. Two worlds, one source. The ultimate culinary luxury and the pinnacle of skincare science are now ready to be packaged for our global elite clientele. We enter the final stage, the dual packaging line. Here, the black gold and white essence are sealed into their iconic luxury vessels for the world. For our caviar, we use crystal glass jars. The robotic vacuum sealing process removes all air, preserving the delicate flavor and texture for months without any preservatives. The final touch is a hand-finished wax seal, stamped with our 2027 insignia. It is a mark of authenticity and a promise of unparalleled luxury and quality. Simultaneously, the collagen serum is bottled. We use frosted glass to protect the bioactive ingredients from light degradation, ensuring every drop remains potent and effective. Our filling heads are accurate to the microliter. This precision ensures that every bottle contains the exact concentration of sturgeon collagen required for maximum skin rejuvenation results. The capping process is fully automated to maintain the sterile chain. Every bottle is hermetically sealed, locking in the freshness of the newly extracted bioactive peptides. Anti-counterfeit hologram labels are applied next. These stickers contain embedded data that allows customers to verify the authenticity of their luxury purchase with a smartphone. Every single item is serialized. This individual tracking is part of our commitment to transparency, showing exactly when and where each product was meticulously crafted. Presentation is everything. Our caviar is nestled in deep velvet boxes, designed to reflect the prestige of the black gold contained within each and every jar. The collagen serum is presented in a minimalist, eco-friendly box. We combine luxury aesthetics with sustainable materials, reflecting the modern values of the Superfactory 2027. The efficiency of our packaging line is unmatched, allowing us to ship our fresh products to international markets within hours of the initial harvest and extraction. This is the ultimate intersection of fine dining and high-end beauty. A holistic approach to luxury that nourishes the body both from the inside and the outside. Human quality control is the final gate. Every box is inspected by our experts to ensure that the packaging is as flawless as the product it protects. Once boxed, the products are palletized by robots. The speed and precision of this system are what allow us to lead the global market in 2027. Temperature integrity is maintained until the very last second. Our smart pallets monitor their own thermal state, ensuring that black gold stays perfectly chilled during transit. Our logistics are as advanced as our production. Electric transport vehicles stand ready to deliver these treasures to the most exclusive destinations across the entire globe. We take immense pride in what we have built here. It is a testament to what human ingenuity can achieve when it works in harmony with nature. From our smart ponds to the tables of Paris and the boutiques of Tokyo, our reach is global, but our commitment to quality remains deeply personal and focused. Every shipment carries the promise of the Superfactory 2027, a promise of sustainability, ethical production, and the most refined luxury experience ever created by man. We honor the sturgeon, the ancient source of our success, by using technology to protect and utilize every part of the fish. We ensure its future too. Science, luxury, and nature. These are the three pillars of the Superfactory 2027, working together to bring you the finest treasures from the deep blue ocean. Superfactory 2027, where high technology serves life and sustainable luxury. Black gold and collagen, the most precious treasures harvested from the heart of the ocean.